Today, I have an unboxing.
2, 1.
To the sons and daughters of Weezy. Y'all niggas still watching the master at work.
I already got the ganja. I already got the Fanta. All black like Uganda. Hair back like E Honda. Wait, hard hat like a condo. Your skull cracked, then we crowned you.
I hope everyone had a Merry Christmas. Shout out to True Religion. Thank you so much for making this possible. I'll get right to it. I'm sure you already noticed, but I was so hyped about this one, I had to open it and just do a little preview. Very crispy, clean, smooth. Check that backpack out right there. Gold accents. Open this baby up. Laptop sleeve. Definitely hyped about this one. Quality is insane. It's beautiful. Sherpa lined denim jacket just in time for winter. Detailed zipper cuff. This is fire. Also has zippers on pockets. I know they say it's bad luck, but keeping me dry, especially in these winter months. Another denim jacket. Check the detail out on this one. Rose gold on the button with the tan inseam. What you think? Satin novelty bomber. Probably my favorite denim jacket of the bunch. This is just the classic Jimmy jacket. One thing I love about True Religion denim is it's all hand distressed. So each piece offers a unique look. Detail on the hand distressing. Next up, I'm gonna go through these t-shirts. It's garment dyed tee. Then I really like how they have the bottom seam unhemmed. I like that look a lot. Back. There's that side pocket on the sleeve, bottom unhemmed, which gives it a rough around the edges look. Next up, we have True Dip jogger and play on the track pant, gold, zippered cuff, as well as an elasticated jogger bottom, back gold zipper. One of my favorite colors for winter. Small metal True Religion logo. Last but certainly not least, I had to get the third color in this hoodie. This is definitely my go-to hoodie of the full fall winter season. It's just big, oversized. Hood fits perfectly. It's warm, and that middle zipper down the back complements it so well. It's definitely a statement piece. But yeah, I had to get this. This is from True Religion's Great Revolt collection. Cream white. Once again, shout out to True Religion. I can't thank you enough for making this possible. And thank you all for following my journey. 2018 is going to be a blast. I have a lot of things planned, and I can't wait to show them to you.
Bar fight to a bounce away. All Franks like Sinatra. Face been painted, they ain't never clown them. Everybody raking cash like it's autumn. Y'all boys sweeter than whatchamacallit. All y'all take a seat on this toilet. Y'all ain't shit, but y'all piss pouring. Sitting in the foreign like I'm on a Harley. Keep blood suckers away with the garlic. Alone in a mansion, I'ma call it caulking. Thought about your coffin and started barfing. Thought about your offerings, how they probably starving. Thought about this office shit, I'm so thoughtful. Walking on the marble, feeling like Ricardo. Walking around like the campus of Harvard. Shot my nigga Swiss, niggas getting smarter. Try to hit the books and nigga hit the target. Sitting on the charter, talking about the talkers. Waiting on departure, wait.
3,